Hey everyone, today we're diving into an awesome trick to supercharge your motion tracking in CapCut. CapCut's motion tracking is very simple and user-friendly, but sometimes it doesn't give us the perfect result we expect. If you are a CapCut editor, you probably know about this. Don't worry, I've got a little trick to improve those results and make your videos even more polished. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply this trick to get smoother, more accurate motion tracking every time. For this, you mainly need these three things: a video clip, a green screen, an object you want to track. So are you ready to level up your editing game? Let's begin. First, add your main video to the timeline. Place the object you want to motion track on top of the main video. Adjust it as needed. Click on Tracking. Click on Motion Tracking. Select the direction as both. In this case, I turn off the scale. Then adjust the motion tracking box as needed. Once it is finished, click on Start. It will take some time to track. Until then, be patient. This is how it looks after being tracked as default. It has been tracked well, but the smoothness is not enough. Okay, let's fix it now. Place the green screen image in the middle of the two clips. Now export the video. Import the exported video clip. Delete the other two clips without deleting the main video. Put the exported video on top of the main video. Go to Remove BG. Select Chroma Key. Take the color picker and choose green color. Go to Basic and click Stabilize. Click on Minimum Cut. Wait for a while until the process is over. Here is the final result. So that's it. If you learned something from today's video, give me a like and support, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment your thoughts. See you again in a similar video. Have a nice day.